Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can enable the Enter key button to send messages on Kik. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open up the Kik app on your phone. The next thing you want to do is click on your profile on the top right hand corner. After you click it, you can see the option of chat settings. As you scroll down, go ahead and tap on chat settings and you can see the Enter key send. So what this will do is it will send messages when you hit enter. So I'm going to show you the differences. Right now I have turned this function off. I'll go to the text option over here and I'll go ahead and write something down, and as you can see that the enter button will just go ahead and keep this as a separate sentence. You can send the message like this, or else you can go to your profile, go to chat settings, and you can see the Enter key send. Go ahead and enable it and you can go back and you can go to the chat. After you go to chat, you can write something and you can see the Enter button has been changed to the send button. Go ahead and click on send and you can see the Enter button has been changed. So this is how you can enable the Enter key to send messages on Kik. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.